All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. This is going to be a quick video. Making this video for Jared Nichols. he said he's a well, I won't say anything about it, but anyways, he's new to crypto. He wants to learn about Uniswap, so we're going to teach him about it. And if any others want to, stay tuned and check it out. It's really easy to do. So you go to uniswap.org or you go straight to CoinGecko and then go to Uniswap. Go here. This is on CoinGecko.com, and you hit uniswap.org, and it takes you right there, and you hit use Uniswap. But now we're open onto the exchange. Very easy to do. Claim Uni. This is if you're in the airdrop, but if you guys are new to crypto, I guarantee you aren't part of the airdrop. So there will be a section up here that allows you to connect your wallet. You'll literally just click connect your wallet. And if you have a MetaMask wallet, this is the one that I chose to select. So I'm just going to change it just so you guys can see. So you got Portis, Formatic, Coinbase, Wallet Connect. You guys are probably familiar with Coinbase if you don't know what it is, and you literally just click to connect and scan to connect. I don't use Coinbase Wallet. I like MetaMask better. I did a video on how to use MetaMask, and it's easy to use. And that's it. Our wallet's connected. So someone was asking, how do you buy some BAO tokens? Well, this is how you do it. So you go to BAO Finance. Be careful, there are fake addresses. So you need to go directly here to get the contract address. You can copy this, or you can just go directly right down here where it talks about the exchanges. You hit info. Most of the tokens you can buy are just on Uniswap, period. And you hit trade, and then it'll allow you to trade it. So it takes a little bit to load. Just let it sit, let it load. All right, we want some BAO tokens. So we're gonna switch that down to the bottom. We want to say we want to do 1,000 ETH for a lot of BAO tokens, but there's insufficient liquidity, so that's really not going to happen. No one's really going to spend that much ETH, and then I don't have that much ETH in my wallet, so let's just say 4. So you guys can see it'll say swap, and I'm not trying to swap my ETH right now, but I'll just do an example. So you hit swap, confirm swap, and then a section up here will show up over here. If you have a hardware wallet, then you can confirm that, but you're probably not going to be using a hardware wallet if you're new to this. So you literally just confirm the swap, and that's it. It's really that easy, and then it'll take time. If you guys saw how the gas fee was like, it was like 18 bucks. If you guys are new to it, don't mess with it. Just send it to what it recommends, because you'll probably get all freaked out or like, oh no, my crypto's gone forever because the transactions take. No, guys, just be patient. Just take a deep breath and sit through it, see what happens. If you have any failed transactions, that does happen. That's because the price fluctuates. You have this section where it talks about slippage tolerance. So say, for example, BAO just doubles in a matter of seconds. Well, it's not going to go through, and that's your protection too. So that way you don't get ripped off. So this slippage tolerance is something you can play around with. Don't go too low, because look what happens. Your transaction may fail. That's usually with something with the tokens that are pretty okay volume or lowish volume like BAO. It's an okay volume, but its token fluctuates like crazy. So this is for anyone who's new to crypto, doesn't know how to use Uniswap. This is how you can use it. Pretty easy to do, guys. Self-explanatory as well. The price impact. This just talks about the difference in the market price. You guys have question marks on it as well to see what it is. But the cool thing is, a lot of people don't know. Some people are like, hey, I don't want to trade my Ethereum for BAO. Yeah, I don't blame you. I don't want to do it either. So I always use stablecoins, and it automatically swaps it for me. So it'll go from USDC to wrapped Ethereum, and then to BAO. That's usually how it confirms it. But yeah, you guys can play around with it. You can literally swap any token that you want. Really neat project, really neat protocol. This is literally changing the game. I love Uniswap. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one. Of course, my bad, guys. This is MetaMask basically for entire beginners. This definitely slipped my mind. But guys, if you don't have Ethereum in your wallet, this is not gonna do anything. So in order to have any transactions, you need to make sure you have Ethereum in your wallet. When you have Ethereum in your wallet, well, then you're gangbusters, because none of these transactions will go through without Ethereum. That's your gas. So if you guys are going to use Uniswap, every single thing that you do or every transaction you make, you need to have Ethereum. Keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video. If you guys are new to cryptocurrency, don't know where to get started, don't know what to invest in, well, participate in the triple threat. The first thing, set up a Celsius account. This is for your savings. This is where you're going to store your cryptocurrency and you can earn interest. It can be up to 5%, 6%, 10%, and they even have some as high as 17%. Here's a referral link. Use this referral link in order to get 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Part 2 of the triple threat is to get a Crypto.com. Crypto.com account is one of the best places, especially for a beginner, to buy cryptocurrencies, or smaller altcoins. So now you have a savings account. Now you need to get a cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to buy those smaller altcoins like your Engine coin, your Raven coin, just like smaller alts, so you guys can participate in those big plays. My referral code is down here. If you use this, you'll get 25 bucks free. And the next one is Voyager. Voyager is awesome. There's a list of different cryptocurrencies you can use. What I like about Voyager in particular is you can actually make your next level up in buying cryptocurrencies. You can actually buy Bitcoin with a limit order. So you just hit buy Bitcoin, hit limit, and you type in how much you want. Boom, you're off to the races. So you don't have to watch it and make sure it's a good buy-in. Here's a referral code you guys can use to get some free cryptocurrency. This will allow you to get $25 for free. Can't beat free. And then obviously this is just a fun one, so you can get free cryptocurrency, is going on Lolly. You get a daily stack. All you do is you tap the treasure chest and you get free sats. And it's literally free. One of the days I literally got 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Look, 101,000 sats. Pretty cool.